Hi there, what's going on? This is Guy Potok from guy-potok.com and welcome to my 24-hour Commission Academy video review. Now, as you can see, I'm already inside the members area of this cool training that will be live on February 26, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is a info product, a training that was created by Aidan Corkery and his team partners, Team Green. They call Team Green because they all came from Ireland. And basically, Aidan is a high school teacher. He teaches history and geography. And while he's doing his teaching stuff, he's come out with a method that allows him to basically get recurring commissions, and he even making more than his high school salary. So during this training, he will teach you how to use messenger bots. If this is something that you're interested in, then stay with me. During this video I will show you all about this product and we will figure out if you can make money with it. So before we go through the product, I just want to let you know I created a special bonus package for this product. If you decide to pick it up from me, it will be redirected to this page. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please check the link below. If you came from my email list or something like this, or my bot list, you will be redirected to this website. And as you can see, this special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, February 28th. So since this product will be live, you will have approximately 2.5 days to pick up my bonuses. So let's see. How full-time teacher discover part-time method that makes money while he's teaching classes, out with friends, and even while he's asleep. So as I said before, Aidan is using some kind of a recurring commission method that make him money every single month while he is doing his teaching stuff. So he can quit teaching wherever he wants, and he can do it until he had enough. So inside the sales page of the video, you will see how he made $11,000 in the last 30 days from this method. So it's pretty insane. So this is the video you're currently watching, and we will figure out, does 24-hour commissions academy live up to the hype, or it is just another shiny object you should avoid. You should remember this timer will remind you about my limited time bonuses. It's not fake scarcity or something like this. After this timer hits 0, I will remove my bonus page. So make sure you if this is something that you want to pick up, make sure you will pick it up before this timer shows 0. So what is 24-hour Commission Academy all about? 24-hour Commission Academy is a step-by-step video training which show you how to grow a targeted bot list using combination of free and paid traffic methods while growing a recurring passive income at the same time. This method only needs to be set up once, and afterwards everything works on autopilot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Once member implant the action plan inside the members area, they can begin watch the commission roll in every single month. This is a super newbie friendly method which has proven to generate new online business owners their very first sales online. So basically, Aidan and his team guarantee that if you implant this method, you will be able to make money online. And actually, I've been using messenger bot myself, and I understand the power of it. And actually, Aidan was my first mentor about messenger bot, so he really knows what he's talking about. And if you do decide that this training is for you, here are the prices and what you can find inside the product. So the main training, 24-hour commission academy, will cost you $9 at the launch period, and I think the price will go up every day. So I suggest you pick up this product during the lunchtime. If not, you're gonna pay something around $14.95. So this is it. You can pick up a full training how to start your online business in less than $10. That's very cool. So OTO 1 is a done for you bundle. You will get guaranteed approval to promote high converting affiliate offers. It will 10x your results with done for you coupon codes to drive hungry buyers to your promotions, and done for you grabbing voucher images, done for you high engagement Facebook post for each approved offer, done for you ManyChat follow-up sequence to increase your conversions, and done for you lead magnets and a 100% reseller rights to drive new buyers traffic leads into your business. So basically, if you decide to pick up the OTO 1, you will get access to a bunch of done for you products, and you will be able to promote their previous offers, I guess, and get 100% commission on all the funnels. So this is pretty cool, and this is gonna cost you only $37, and there is a downsell. If you click on no thanks, it will cost you $27. So one second, battery is getting low, and we're good. So OTO number 2, it's buyer extractor case studies. Getting people from Facebook onto a bot is probably the most challenging thing you will encounter. When you begin to grow your bot list from scratch with these 6 buyer extractor case studies, you will get trialed and tested techniques that will easily get buyers from Facebook to your bot landing pages. This product is highly recommended for new marketers starting out with the 24-hour commission academy method. So if you don't know how to get those buyers from the free traffic that you're gonna learn, Aiden here added his case studies, and it's gonna cost you only $17. And there is a downsell for this only for $12. So this is, if you're a new marketer and starting online business, I would definitely pick up this product. So OTO number 3 is done for you buyer bot. The done for you buyer bot is a completely automated system that will quickly turn your traffic and leads into buyers that put money in your pocket. To complete done for you bot sequence, just follow the simple instruction to get this set up, and within a few minutes you will have a fully automated system that turns your traffic and leads into money in your pocket even while you sleep. To completely done for you bonus review pages, this product review pages are professionally designed and proven to boost your result. Just upload and profit. 100% commission on 2 top quality digital products. We know it can be hard to get approved to promote some products, but when you get this upgrade, you're pre-approved to promote 2 hot products that we've made thousands promoting. So actually this is a good upgrade because you will get 2 products to promote, and I even include something in my bonus package, something for this. Yeah, for new marketer, if you're a new marketer, it's really hard to get approved to promote offers because the vendor don't know the quality of your traffic, and they don't want to get shitty traffic, and they worry about the stats. So here it's a complete method, and you will be approved to promote these offers. And one-time offer number 4 is one-on-one coaching. It's gonna cost you only $97, and there isn't a downsell. But on the one-time offer number 3, there is a downsell, and you get $100 discount if you decide to pick up this product. So inside the coaching program, we show students how to build their messenger bot subscribers buyer list through both free and paid traffic methods. We will show them how to make monthly passive income recurring sales every single day so that they can work less time while still making money in the process. A really great opportunity to be coached and mentored by a six-figure earner online. So Aiden basically here gives you an opportunity for a one-on-one coaching. Probably is gonna do it via Skype call or something like this, and it's gonna cost you only $97. So he will basically himself help you to get success. And I also included something like this in my bonus package, so you get double the coaching. So here are some key benefits you might be interested in getting. This product includes free traffic method that easy to get going and start working fast, includes done for you tools so you can get set up and running and making money fast, and you can scale up your passive income as big as you want. And all of this is covered by a non-question asked 30 days money back guarantee. So if you decided that this product is for you, on my page you just need to click on one of these red buttons, get redirected to the sales page, and pick up this product. And now if you are still here and watching this video, I'm gonna show you my unique and exclusive bonus package that you will get additionally to what you're getting inside the training. So if you pick up 24-hour commission academy now and get all the bonuses below. Now please watch this. My bonus packages are limited for 50 buyers only. Why is that? Because my bonus number one is a Skype call one-on-one 24-hour commission academy live support. So my time is not unlimited and I cannot spend my whole day helping you guys. I wish I can, but I have other stuff to do. I have two small kids I need to take care of and spend time with, and so I decided to limit my bonus package for 50 buyers only. And since this product will be live, this bar will start filling up, and you need to make sure you pick up this product before this bar is full. So my bonus number one, as I said before, Skype one-on-one 24-hour commission live support. If you want that, simply click on the red button. Bonus number two is access to super funnels plus max commissions. Now super funnels, it's a product that I created together with Brendan Mace, and it will allow you to create super funnels, but I really wanted to give you the max commissions upgrade, because in the max commissions there are 4 templates for 4 products that we've made a review page, and you can use those pages first of all to get recurring commissions to you, because there are 4 offers that will give you commissions on a monthly basis. So you will get those templates, those pages with a simple generator. You put your affiliate link and then you're all set to use these pages with your bot subscribers. So this is a really cool upgrade. And bonus number 3, it's the affiliate link approval guide. It's a video that I recorded myself to help new marketers to get approved to promote offers, because I know how to do it myself. I used to be a new marketer and I wasn't approved, and I've started following this template, and now I'm getting sales, and I'm getting approved, so I promote offers, so I'm getting sales, and then I can be approved for others. Bonus number 4, it's a advanced 24 hours commission academy money making methods. So basically you will learn how to make passive income traffic, but in this video I made for you, you will learn how to use this method and even grow your online business even more with advanced stuff. This is highly recommended bonus to pick up. Bonus number 5, it's the vendor bonuses, and it's a 7 6 or 7 previous product that he promoted, and not like other vendor, he didn't put these bonuses on the members area. So if you take action today during the launch period, you will get access to these bonuses from my bonus page. Now not only you're getting 4 of my exclusive bonuses, you will get here access to 6 or 7 previous product that Aiden released, and you can use them as well to grow your online business. Now, exclusive one-time offer 4, I think I will change that. So if you pick up one-time offer 4 and or 3, either one of them, after you go through the training that Aiden will show you, I will personally give you a $100 worth of traffic, paid traffic, to your bot opt-in page to grow your online business, to grow your bot list, and this traffic will convert to sales. That's something very cool, and this is $100 worth of traffic that I will deliver to your funnel, to your opt-in page, wherever you want. You can go to solotraffic.net and you can read testimonials about my traffic, and you know that my traffic brings sales. So this is something very cool. Now, exclusive OTO bonus number 2 is if you have a website, I will personally install you a WordPress plugin that will allow you to post images on Facebook, and this is highly recommended with the bot list, because you can create an image and all the people who will click on this image will be redirected automatically to your bot opt-in page, to your affiliate offer, wherever you want. And it even has a for share button where people will click on your image, they will be redirected, and if they want to see what's inside, they need to share this this image by themselves on their timeline. So basically your images can go viral, you get free traffic and lots of sale. If you have a website, this is exclusive bonus for me. If you don't have a website, don't know how to get a WordPress website, hit me up. I have a new offer where I offer people done for you WordPress website and premium hosting. So all you gotta do is have a domain name, and domain name can cost you something like $1 per year, and I will take care of the rest. So if you don't have a website, you can feel free to contact me. And this timer again will show you how much time you left to pick up my bonuses. Now my bonuses are instantly delivered inside the Warrior Plus platform. All you gotta do is click here on purchase history and look for the product you purchase, and you will see this blue button says access affiliate bonuses, and you will be redirected to my bonus page where all my bonuses are included. So once again, this is the 24-hour commission academy, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules. You need to watch this video, implant the training, what Aiden is teaching you. As you can see here, he's shooting this video from inside his classroom. I guess it was after school. So the sales page, and here is the sales page. Full-time teacher, discover part-time method that makes money while he's teaching classes out with friends and even while he's asleep. So if you want to check out the sales page, click on this button here on my bonus page and get all my bonuses. And I was Guy Potok. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you inside.